Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to register online account on BookMyForex. So if you also want to register online account on BookMyForex, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar, type in bookmyforex.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of BookMyForex. You can see several options over here. You can see option for exchange currency, transfer money abroad, reload or unload Forex card, international SIM card, etc. If you want to register for BookMyForex, all you have to do is click on the register option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, this kind of pop-up will appear. From here, you'll be able to register for your account. All you have to do is provide these details. Or you can also continue with Facebook or Google. Now you can see over here, you'll have to fill in these details. All you have to do is enter your full name. Simply enter your full name. Now enter your phone number. After that, provide your email address. Now create a password for yourself. Make sure to create a very strong password. Now repeat the password. Now you can see over here, you can choose to receive the OTP on mobile or you can also receive the OTP on email. Simply click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on OTP on email. Now click on the confirm option that you can see right over here. Now an OTP has been sent to your email. All you have to do is open Gmail. Simply go to new tab. If you're using Google Chrome, over here you'll be able to find the option for Gmail. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, BookMyForex has sent me an email. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see the OTP over here. Memorize this. Go back to BookMyForex tab. Now enter the OTP over here. Now after you enter the OTP, simply click on the confirm option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, you have successfully registered. Your account is created. You can click on the option login now. Now you'll be able to log into your account. Simply click on the option login that you can see right over here. Now provide the credentials. Simply enter your email and password. After you enter the credentials, simply click on the confirm option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, your account has been created. So that is how you register online account on BookMyForex. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.